Leaks can occur within various fixtures in your home, such as toilets, faucets, hose bibs, water heater, ice maker, and even your irrigation system. During the health test, Flow will shut its valve, preventing any new water from entering and influencing your water system. While the water is shut off, Flow will monitor the stability of the water within your pipes for the next several minutes. If there is very little to no pressure change, you will pass your test. However, if you have a drippy fixture or a leak at any point, the health test will fail and you will be notified. The easiest way to find a small leak is to shut off the fixtures in your home one group at a time, such as your sinks, toilets, and hose bibs. Next, rerun the health test until you pass. Let's start with the toilets. Almost every single fixture in your house has a shutoff valve, or an angle stop. Angle stops may look different. You may have a quarter turn or multi-turn angle stop, but they function on the same basic principle: righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and stop the water flow to that fixture. Locate the angle stop. This is going to be near the base of the toilet. Inspect the angle stop for any visual leaks. Check the ground beneath it for moisture or evidence of water damage. Feel around the connection of the angle stop for moisture in case it's leaking internally. If the angle stop is leaking, do not operate. This is going to be at least one cause of your failed health test. A leaking angle stop should be replaced as soon as possible. This job does require special tools, so it's highly recommended that you contact a licensed plumber to have it replaced. If there is no sign of moisture, turn the angle stop clockwise to shut off the water flow to the toilet. If you have a multi-turn, you may have to turn the valve a few rotations until you feel resistance. A gentle approach is recommended to prevent damaging the stem on the angle stop. You can test if the water to the toilet is off by flushing the toilet. If you've successfully shut off the angle stop, then the tank will not refill. If the tank continues to refill, you'll need to continue to turn your angle stop clockwise until there is no more water filling the tank. Do this for every toilet in your home. Open the Flow by Moen app, select your desired device for the location, and then tap Run Manual Health Test. Because we have shut off all the toilets, none of the potential leaks in each one will affect this manual test. If you pass your health test, we can determine that one of the toilets is leaking. This may be caused by a malfunctioning fill valve or a flapper that's not sealing well, causing the fill valve to constantly trickle water into the tank. If you fail your health test, keep the toilet supply lines in the off position and continue walking around the home to inspect for leaks and shut off each angle stop group accordingly. For faucets, for example, you'll want to inspect and shut off both the hot and cold before running your next health test. Also, don't forget about your hose bibs, as they can be the cause of a health test failure. If you fail all your health tests, even after shutting off all fixtures, it's possible that the culprit is either a drippy shower head or handle, or a pinhole leak somewhere. If this is the case, consider calling a leak detection company to help you troubleshoot this further, or contact Flow support. If you have any further questions, visit meetflow.com/FAQ or call 1-844-MEET-FLOW for support.